Hello. We're at the Miami School of Flower Design.
Hello.
State your name and rank. Kelly
I
Green,
am Kelly.
designer. She has never designed flowers before until this week. Those are really, they photograph really well. How hard were those to make?
Extremely simple. Have to follow the simple steps and it works out perfect.
Tell us about your anxieties with flower designing.
Very high anxiety, as it seems kind of all over the place and very stressful, but this has really reduced my anxiety. Now I won't have gray hair prematurely, so I can actually do this, and it's a lot simpler than it looks.
A lot easier it looks. Turn that bouquet into the camera. That's really, wow, you should see that film. It photographs really well. That's her bridal, that's her bridesmaids, and this is her centerpiece. With Miss Amber Harrison from Lakeland, Florida. And she came here because she works at a flower shop, but she's going to be the new wedding star at the flower shop.
Yeah, so I would love to bring some more different styles into the
Different
shop.
styles into the shop.
Yeah.
She's got a revamping on her career here in Miami at the Miami School of Flower Design. How hard was this to do?
It's a little difficult when you're trying to figure out what you want to do, but once you figure it out and just start putting it together, it's really easy.
It's a great collection.
Thank you.
I'll say keep blooming, flowerschool101.com.